Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the units of the Lowrance application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, and after that you should tap on this home button down below on the left side corner of the screen and tap on this settings button next to your email address in the middle of the screen. Then scroll down until you find the units section, and here you can select the units of measurement in terms of depth and height. Then you can select the boat speed, coordinates, and the temperature, as well as the wind speed that can be selected, and that's it. They will be saved and updated automatically, so feel free to change them anytime by coming back to this section and tapping on the relevant one. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.